Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Auditsmedia. Today we're over in Rhos-on-Sea in North Wales. Just south of Llandudno. It's absolutely beautiful around here this time of the year. The sea is lovely and calm. Lots of people out. The sun is shining. And I thought I would get the drone up as well. I've not had it up for a while, so the weather's not been great, as you can imagine, with the rain and the bad wind. But yeah, today it's a great time to get it up and to show you Rhos-on-Sea. So we go all the way around. Let's see, sand all the way around here. Over to that area, and then obviously can't go any further. But there's loads of area around here you can go on. Dogs, whatever you think. Yeah, there's coffee shops here, public toilets you can use, which are free of charge. Got the boats in the bay over there, bobbing up and down. A little bit of wind. I'm going to check and find out what the wind is, but I think it's going to be alright really. I'm not going to take the drone up too far, but definitely going to get it up, and yeah, just get a good aerial view of Rhos-on-Sea. So if you've ever been to Rhos-on-Sea before, it's just off the A55 bypass, which is a coastal road into North Wales. Drop us a comment where you're from. Give us a subscribe as well. Auditsmedia you want to look for on YouTube channel. Other social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, I'm on there. So mainly YouTube and TikTok I use at the moment, a bit of Instagram. This is where these videos are going to be uploaded this week. So yeah, if you can just help me out and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and a like, that would be great. I'm going to start, now the weather's picking up and it's getting a lot warmer, I'm going to start doing a few industrial estates and a bit of urban exploring as well, so look out for those videos in the next few weeks or so. Right, I'm going to wind this one up on the handy cam, and I'm going to be getting a bit of footage on my smartphone, and then I'm going to get the drone up and yeah, see what's what. Okay, well, have a great day, and I will speak to you again very soon.